Guys, so I'm back with my final review for today, and this is another one by Bobbi Boss, but this one is one of their headband wigs. Okay, so she's pretty much one of the instant style. It's called Active. Well, that's not the name of it. The name of it is called M1008 HADDIE, and I have her in the color T1B/burgundy. Really pretty color. I'm loving the color. I'm actually loving the style, to be honest. And on the model, on the stock card, it actually looks really pretty. Look at it. It's in a black, but it looks really pretty. I love how full it looks, and you get that same full style, you know, like in real life, but you just gotta fluff it out some more. You gotta fluff it out and you should be good. But guys, I'll get straight into it because this one comes with one of the MediFresh caps as well. So let's get into the whole cap construction. So first of all, you guys know the headband is attached to the wig. Lately they've been making them attached to the wig. Instead of giving you a regular half wigs, you have a headband wig with the headband attached. So this one is not one of your velvet non-slip grip band. It's actually a silkier, smoother, stretchable band up front, and you also have one comb up front, one comb at the back, and the rest of the cap is a stretchable mesh net material cap, which is the antibacterial MediFresh cap. And at the back of the headband itself, you have an elastic band. So just like you would have your elastic band with your lace front wig, an adjustable elastic band, that's pretty much what you get. So you don't get any velcro on this one. It's just the elastic band attached at the back, so you could adjust it to tighten it or to loosen it if you want to. I think having it that way, it's a little bit easier, so you don't really have to, you know, take the velcro out and put it back on. It's actually you just loosening it up, loosening it up, and and you know, like tighten it and stuff like that. But anyway, let me know what you think about the style. Of course, guys, you saw up front that I did get the headband with the wig, so the headband comes together with the wig. So if you don't have the coins to buy a headband wig and still purchase an extra headband on the side, extra headbands are pretty reasonable. But you know, if you don't have the coins to do all that, these wigs, these Bobbi Boss wigs, come with the extra headband inside. So this is the headband that it came with, and I think this is the same pattern that I got on the last headband. Let me see if I could find. Okay, this is it here. Is this the same? I think this is the same. I think this is the same headband. So I was thinking maybe they have like different headbands with that, which would have been nice, because if you bought two different styles, you kind of don't want the same headband, right? You want something different. But this seems like the same. Yeah, it's like exact same headband. And I got this with a different style. So yeah, you get this headband with the wig, so you can use that, or you can use any of your headbands that you may have, you know, like you can switch it up. It's really up to you. But anyway, guys, this is pretty much it. You know, the texture is really bouncy. It's a natural curly texture, really nice. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. I'll leave all the other colors that it comes in the description box down there. I'll leave a link for you guys to purchase in case you're interested in purchasing it. But thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll definitely see you soon. Bye.